everyone, it's Mary Beth. Welcome to my channel. I am so excited that you are here and really excited to be a part of this challenge. It is called Around the World. There are so many amazing creators participating, and I hope that you guys have so much fun going through the playlist and watching everybody's video. There's 23 creators all in one place, and there's a huge giveaway. So you definitely want to comment on all the videos, watch all the videos, and I'll let you know what the word is in just a moment. All right, so let's move on to DIY number 1. So I've got these really beautiful candlesticks that I have had for years and haven't been using them. They're just not really my color or anything anymore. Anyway, so again, I am trying to represent Italy, but what I love about it is the old stone looking items, and that's what I'm going for today. So I took these candlesticks and I am just pouncing on truffle, the color truffle from Waverly, but any brown, any color you'd like, actually. Trying to go with earth tones. Then after that dries, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to use, it's kind of like the color mineral from Waverly. It's actually called faded burlap. And yeah, I'm just not going for perfection by any means. And I'm just pouncing it on until I just kind of get a look that I like. It's that simple. See? So simple. And just make sure to seal your work afterwards. So I am using a little bit of this gold folk art paint. In the end, I did paint over it with the mineral or the burlap and the truffle because I didn't know if I really liked it or not. I do think it's pretty, but I left it in here so you could see, you could, add any type of colors, textures, anything you want to it. So that's what it looks like with a little bit of gold. I thought it was pretty. I don't know. I just couldn't decide. All right. So we're going to move on to DIY number 2. I really love this DIY. It's kind of a DIY number 2 and 3, but you'll see what I'm talking about. So I got this vase from the Goodwill a very long time ago, and there is like a little crystal heart in the middle of it. But no worries, we're going to be covering all that up. So I just took some plaster by Waverly and dumped in a bunch of baking soda, and I'm just going to mix it up to make a pretty thick consistency. And then all I'm going to do is literally just spread it on this vase. There is no rhyme or reason. As thick as you want, is not textured, however you want to do it. I kind of just slather it on there, and then I'll kind of like pounce the sponge brush and just get a lot of texture. It's really fun to play with this stuff when you mix the baking soda and the paint. I actually really enjoyed this process. I thought it was a lot of fun. And then I'm going to come back and I am going to, now it does take a while to dry. I used my heat gun, but you got to make sure to have this thing dry. I did a second coat, but it was probably not a full second coat, just kind of here and there, adding a little bit more texture. Let that dry. And then I used, what did I use? Well, I'll show you here in a moment, but I think it was truffle by Waverly, and then back to that faded burlap. And I just kind of pounced those colors in, mixed them up a little bit, and was just trying to give it like that really old look. That's what I was going for. And here you'll see the texture. Oh, I just think it's so cool. But yeah, I'm sorry, mineral and truffle. That is what I used. And yeah, so you'll see me apply this with just a damp paper towel. And then you're going to see a square rectangle, I guess, glass vase that I do the same thing to. However, I'm going to use elephant and moss. And so that's my favorite one. So I will catch up with you in just a few moments.
You know you are my double flame whisper, my soulmate sister. You know you are. I see you, you see me. Same mother, different eyes, but we're just as happy. Remember when when you were 5, every day by my side. Oh, oh, oh. My best friend God sent my own good fortune. You know you are my double flame whisper, my soulmate sister. You know you are. Oh, every time life gets rough, you know you are the one that picks me up, the one that fills my cup. You know you are. And we are inseparable. We are so unbreakable. My best friend God sent my own good fortune.
The word you need to put in your comments is world. So make sure to do that when you comment. And look, there they are. I absolutely love them. Thank you to all my existing subscribers. And if you are new, I would love for you to join my little YouTube channel. I hope you liked my projects. Thanks. Bye-bye.